come for you in this course, Homeoosteo, a medical branch of homeopathy and osteopathy. My name is Maram Abdel Nasser Taya. I am Palestinian pharmacist, American Studies instructor, author and researcher who is teaching on Udemy. All I can say that I'm really so proud to be with you and congratulations for having this chance. Anyway, knowledge base of conventional system creates from years of empiricism, experience, intuition, and observation that is exceeded over generations. I think our individual philosophical and ontological assumptions are formed by various worldviews founded upon our own unique practices. Therefore, I request how clear the mythos we try to cling to truly are when they mirror our own unique presumptions. Privilege theory, in an empiricist modernist mood, is a track of perception that runs without difference in every context. For the reason that theory is a linguistic and cultural artifact, its translation of the theme of its notice is unable to be separated from the historic dynamics that have formed it. The expression homeopathy arrives from the Greek homeos, which means similar, and pathos, which means suffering. Homeopathy is a process of medical exercise that strives to develop the standard of health of a creature during the management of medical manufactures chosen individually with respect to the precept of symmetry. Historically, low backache has become the most popular cause for visits to osteopathic doctors. In the last 19th century, since the institution of osteopathic medicine, the vocation has obtained national admission. However, osteopaths utilize a two-phase tactic. A first biomedical screen for significant pathology, followed by usage of osteopathic reasoning examples that are focused on the connection between function and structure in the human body. And thus far, I'd like to compare homeopathy and osteopathy expressions, discussing and outlining their relative differences, not merely in theoretical expressions, but also in connection to some of the existing improvements in complementary and alternative medicine by using privilege theory. All I can say, thanks for your attention, and I'd like to invite you to register in this course or try the free preview if you want to explore further.